Hi and welcome to Little Hatchlings Art Lessons. I'm here with my 4-year-old and she and I are going to be drawing
Bluey with the Christmas tree!
Yeah!
With the star!
And Bingo too. Bluey and Bingo looking at the Christmas tree. So this is going to take a little longer because we're drawing 2 characters and a Christmas tree. So.
And presents!
And presents. So get ready. Get set.
Go!
Okay. So we're going to start at the top by making a star. So you do a little triangle and then another one going sideways and then one going diagonal, one going the other diagonal, and then one going down.
You like mine?
Cute. So yeah, 2 little lines
Look
for the
at
top
mine.
of the star, yeah.
They look like triangles.
All right, so now you make a swoopy line and curve it up. And then another swoopy line. Look at mine. And this time we're gonna make 2 bumps. And then this one we're gonna go out and we're gonna make 3 bumps. And then this one we're gonna go out and make 4. And then this one, we're just gonna make a big one.
Do we need to do a line?
Hey, that looks good, yeah. And then just leave this bottom part blank. Once we get to where she is, we're gonna stop because there's gonna be presents in front of the tree. So
Can I do some presents?
in just a minute.
Oh, Mom, can you do some presents right now?
Yeah.
Like I did?
Okay, hold on. I need to finish the other side of my tree and then we'll do presents in front of it.
Oh, I want to do mine.
So we're gonna curve and we're gonna do some more bumps. And it's just gonna get wider as you go down.
Ta-da!
Very good. Now wait for me.
Anybody is seeing mine?
Yeah, you can see yours. Just a couple more
Just
bumps
gonna
for
do
me.
this.
All right. So there's my tree.
You have to do this too.
Oh yeah. Oops, sorry, I didn't mean to bump you.
It's okay.
That's beautiful.
Can you do it?
Yeah. So you just make little teardrop shapes inside the star.
I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
No, it didn't.
Well, kind of like ovals or teardrops.
They're
okay.
oval.
So yeah, now for presents. So you can make like a rectangle here and a square right next to it.
Look at this carrot one.
A carrot. And then a rectangle here. And you can do some of them that are kind
This
of
is a heart one.
curved.
This is a heart one. Santa gave them.
Wow.
I love you.
I love you too.
Do you know Santa gives you presents?
Mm-hmm.
I would do this. I'm just gonna do it one. Now we do ornament. I would do a bottom one. Teeny tiny.
And you can make like little ribbons inside of it.
I did the bottom one for Bingo.
Oh, why does Bingo need a bottle?
Because her a baby.
She's not a baby, she's 4. You're 4. Bingo and you are the same age.
What?
Yeah.
But her need a bottle because her little. Because her little.
Okay.
Bingo's big. I mean, Blue's big like this.
All right. One thing we're missing from our
Yeah.
tree is ornaments.
Ornaments!
So you can draw circles or whatever shapes you want.
Triangles or stars.
Mm-hmm.
I'll do a triangle.
And some of them even show behind the tree. But just up to you. And some of them can be smaller circles and some can be bigger.
Oh, I'm gonna do it.
And you could do lots of little circles for the
Look at
lights.
this here, the big one.
Whoa, that is a big one. You're funny. And you can do like little lights that are kind of in a diagonal line.
I can do dark lights. I can do dark lights.
Okay.
But they can't see.
Mm-mm.
But they can't see their lights. They can see their lights when it's nighttime.
Mm-hmm.
the dark ones so then they can see. Oh, I got about doing a light.
Okay.
Wait, I got about a solution. Like this.
Mhm.
Boop, boop, beep, boop, boop. Or a minute.
And you can, if you're using like a pencil or a really fine tip Sharpie,
Or
do a little,
markers.
you can do a little top to your ornament. But it can be hard if your Sharpie isn't really sharp.
Look.
Wow, I love it. All right. Should
I'm
we
not finished.
move on to doing Bluey or Bingo next?
I want to do blue.
Okay, let's do Bluey. All right. We're gonna have her feet down here, her
Can
body
we do
right
her
here.
feet down?
Let's do her nose first.
No.
But we want her nose to not be too high because she isn't as tall as the tree. So right here for her
Right
nose.
here?
Let me see. Yeah,
But her not big.
this is perfect. And then you leave a little highlight where her nose is.
This is a great highlight.
Yeah, that's great.
Or this can be a small
And
highlight.
then you do a line back.
Like this.
And then you do
And
a
like
half
this.
oval. Well, I was going to do the eyes next.
You do a line, but no.
And then right next to it, yeah, you're going to do another oval.
Right here.
Yeah. And then her eyeball is right there. Good job. All right, now let's come to the front of her nose and do a curved line down.
Like this.
And then it goes down and over.
Down and over.
And then we're going to pick up our pen and we're going to go up to the nose and we're going to
Wait,
draw a line down.
Right here.
Mm-hmm.
Do this.
Mm-hmm.
And
And then,
do another line.
yeah, she's got a little blue stripe. And then she's going to have her mouth like that because she's excited about all of her presents.
E for bingo.
There. So depending on where you put the eye, you might see a little bit of there. Yeah. Okay. So now
I'm just going to do dark.
we're going to do her body. So we're going to make like a rectangle shape. It's okay.
Right here. Right here, Mommy.
Let's see. Yeah. So now, yeah, we can do the legs. So you do 2 lines down. This
Look
line's
like a bear.
a little longer. And then do an angle out and then over, up, and
This is how
back
I
in.
do it.
Okay, then her other leg.
1, 2.
Curve it forward, bring it over. And then she has these little lines right here. One of her hands is hanging down over here. And then you can just draw her little fingers and a line.
I'm doing her fingers away.
And then her other
Look, Mommy.
hand.
Her arm is straight.
Her other hand, it goes down and over.
I didn't do it.
Okay. And then it goes back up.
Whoa!
And then,
How I do her top?
well, we got to do her belly. So it goes up and curves over, and then it goes back down.
One and then this. Ha!
And then she's got some spots back there if you have room for it.
I have room.
Okay. And then we're going to draw.
I got about her tail.
Well, hold on. I'm drawing her Santa hat now. But yes, we do need to remember her tail.
Mom, right here.
So the Santa hat comes forward.
And then I want to do it.
And then there's a line
back. I want to do it
that
back.
comes back for a spot on her face. And then I'm going to have her hat coming forward.
Look.
And then it comes back up and
Mom,
over.
look what I did.
That's cute.
It's a cute enough.
And then it comes down. Yes, it's cute enough. All right, and then you
Thank
turn
you.
that up. and over. All right, so there's a Santa hat. Let's do her tail.
Well, I want to send it to Good Santa too.
Oh. All right, so 2 curved lines that go out.
If I send it to him, he will
1,
like
2,
Bluey.
3. You think so?
Uh-huh.
And then up.
Please, can I
Yeah,
send
of course.
it to him? Yay!
All right, now I need to do the front of her face.
Then I need
Okay.
to do polka dots.
All right, we're done with Bluey. Now we need to do Bingo.
And then I need to do polka dots.
So Bingo's not quite as tall, so go from like where Bluey's mouth is and go over, and that's where her nose will be. So right here. So make a little nose.
Look at Bingo.
And then a
have to
little
do
line
a
going
little-
back, and then a little line going up,
Right here. And then
and then an oval, and then another bigger oval,
I want to do a highlight.
and then
Sorry
eyeballs.
about you, Mom.
That's okay. All right.
I first need to do it up.
Yeah, it goes up.
Bingo looks cute.
Yeah, and now her hat comes down. All right, and then the front comes like this.
My baby is still asleep.
Yeah.
A super sleeper.
All right, and then the front of her nose
Wait, I need to...
curves down in. And then it goes back and down.
I need to make
And then
her
it goes
nose
back and up.
big.
And then
And
she's
up.
got her mouth wide open too. Yep. Now let's finish the Santa hat. And then it curves back and down.
I
And
did
then
that
a
to
ball.
Big Bluey.
And then it goes up. And then it meets up here.
Look at mine.
And then right here we go down.
Look at mine, Mommy.
Yeah. And then we stop there.
Look at my Mommy.
Oh, cute. So now do her back line. And then it curves down.
Like this much.
And then we need to draw her
Like
arm.
this much, Mama.
Yeah, so here's her arm. And her fingers at the bottom.
Double-bladed arms.
And then a line. And then come over to her nose and draw a line down. And meet it up right there.
Look.
And then her belly's right here.
Stubby legs.
Yeah, that's what she says. All right, and then this comes down, and her hand is right
Can
there.
I do her stubby legs?
Yeah, stubby little legs. Okay, so
Can I
2
just-
little lines. And then her feet are right there.
They're tinier.
Uh-huh.
Look at mine.
Oh, cute. So yeah, the back of her foot, and then it comes forward and up, and then the 2 toes.
Okay, we're finished.
No, we forgot her tail. So then 2 lines going back, then a line down, and
Her
then
tail is
3
much
little curves.
smaller.
Really? And then a circle on
Yep,
her
her
tail.
tail is much smaller.
And then we need a diagonal line right here.
I hate this.
Do you see the diagonal line that needs to be right there?
Oh, yeah.
All right.
Does Bluey need that?
Nope.
We got it.
Well, I got the curved line for Bluey. All right, so that's Bluey and Bingo.
I was finished.
I think so. We hope you had so much fun drawing Bluey and Bingo with us and the Christmas tree. I'd love to see how yours turns out. So tag me at Sarah Hatch Art Studio on Instagram. Take a picture of it and put it on Instagram on your stories or your parents' stories. And then I can see it.
Book.